marked at 1/2 ounce and 3/4 ounce on the 1 ounce side, and 1.5 ounces on the 2 ounce side. If you've been doing this a little while longer, then you're gonna know what this is, and this is just a pour spout. These are good for putting in bottles, makes it a lot easier to pour into your jiggers, but also for more seasoned bartenders, you're gonna just be using that to free pour your liquors. And the more you bartend, the better handle you'll get with the counting and all of that. Most cocktails are either going to be shaken or stirred, and if it's stirred, then you're going to need these two things right here. This is a mixing glass, and this is a bar spoon. Typically, you'll make your Manhattans, your old fashions.
That is a perfect old fashioned.
The Negronis in here, and the bar spoon is also good for measuring small amounts of mixers, such as simple syrup and things of that sort. I hope what you learned in this video is informative, and please like and subscribe and comment. Hey guys, this is Ash with Intoxicating Charm. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to be showing you guys some of the basic bar necessities you're going to need, whether you're just entertaining some friends at home or aspiring and looking to know what's what. If you drink wine or beer, you should probably know what this right here is. It is a wine key, and there are a couple of different kinds. I prefer one that is double hinged and indented at the top, just because it grips onto the wine bottles a lot better, and you're also going to need a corkscrew that is sharp so that you have less of a chance of breaking the cork, you know?
No! No! No!
When you're working in a busier bar, this right here is going to be very handy for you. It's easy to just whip out of your pocket and open up a bottle of beer right away. The ones that are indented grasp onto the bottle caps much easier. Obviously, as a bartender, you're going to need a shaker, and there are a few different types of shakers. These two are cobble shakers. Cobble shakers are cool because they have strainers built into the top, so you don't need the added piece. But they are a little difficult because when shaking, the ice tends to make the metal contract and it gets stuck. Time to time and you're struggling. It doesn't look pretty cool when you're mixing drinks, you know? This one is nice though because it's made out of glass, so obviously it's not going to contract, and the metal is lined with rubber, so this is like a godsend. Really glad I found this. Another type of shaker that you have is a Boston shaker, which I don't currently have with me. They're usually weighted on the bottom, and it consists of one larger tin and a smaller tin that goes right in top, and you just hit it and shake it, you know?
Yeah!
You know? You'll typically see those at most bars, and I prefer it because it is easier to separate after shaking and the metal contracting. It's not difficult. When using a Boston shaker, you're going to need one of these, and this is a Hawthorne strainer. There are other kinds of strainers, such as a julep strainer, and the julep strainer is just structured a little differently. It's going to be a little rounder and has like holes on the top, and those are typically used more for stirred drinks, and the Hawthorne for shaken drinks.
Vodka martini? Shaken, not stirred.
If you're just starting your bartending journey, then this is going to be your best friend. This is called a jigger, and it's used to measure liquors and mixers. Typical jiggers are 1 ounce on the smaller end and 2 ounces on the larger end, and the 1 side, and 1.5 ounces on the 2 ounce side. If you've been doing this a little while longer, then you're going to know what this is, and this is just a pour spout. These are good for putting in bottles, makes it a lot easier to pour into your jiggers, but also for more seasoned bartenders, you're going to just be using that to free pour your liquors. And the more you bartend, the better handle you'll get with the counting and all of that. Most cocktails are either going to be shaken or stirred, and if it's stirred, then you're going to need these two things right here. This is a mixing glass, and this is a bar spoon. Typically, you'll make your Manhattans, your old fashions.
That is a perfect old fashioned.
The Negronis in here, and the bar spoon is also good for measuring small amounts of mixers, such as simple syrup and things of that sort.
Mike Flow. Roach gang. Yeah. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Here I go. 3 days, man. 3 days.
Yeah, man. 3 days.
I'm excited for you, man. Like, I'm going.
Hopefully the weather is okay because it seems that it's going to rain a bit. So hopefully we don't get too much.
Man. Yeah, hopefully not, man. Man, but you see, look, it's dropping now.
Mm-hmm.
These are the things I look at for the future. Just get in the trade in the morning. If it goes your way, just hold it for the rest of the day. Or hold it to see if your thing is threatened. We have new extreme here, new low.
Okay, we go up.
They are breaking out of this trend line. Yeah, man, you know, it's funny today. Well, yesterday I was looking. These guys are saying the market looks like it could go down, yes, but they think in all reality it will go up.
I think you have to take it one day after the other.
Exactly.
See what's going on.
We don't know anything.
We don't know anything.
I don't
Nobody
even know
knows.
my trades, much less where is it gonna go for the rest of the month.
Look at the VWAP in the 50 minutes. It's like acting as a resistance area.
Oh, you will have to put on your chart there. I can't see you.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this one here, this was the orange line here. The 50 minute was resistance.
I don't think this big downtrend I have is actually valid. I think more like the range is valid. So I probably have a small term downtrend instead.
So if you look at this, this is where you were seeing the difference in. So if you look at the 50-minute chart here at today, you can clearly see this is a lower high. Also, the candle is very bearish. Look at this candle here.
Man, right now it's some tricky stuff. Delta is rising with green, but it is not going anywhere.
Don't take anything now.
No, I'm not taking. We have news at like 10 o'clock. I'm not taking anything
Wait
at
for
all.
that. Wait for that.
Yeah. We have
We have
news.
time enough.
We have news in 30 minutes. And we have news. Let me see. 30 minutes, 50 minutes, and at 11. Let me put some timers. Who knows, who knows, who knows? I just got a little flame in Alright. Yes, man.
Did you see? Well, this was in my time here. This is the hourly, so I will enlarge it a bit. And this was the previous day high, and it was taken out. So you could have made a trade here from 650 to 648.
650?
Yeah, so 615 to 658. This was a 43-point trade.
Yeah,
This is
man,
just-
that was where I got in. Basically, my entry
Yeah,
this
so
morning
this-
was at 609.
Yeah, so this is just trading the previous day high break or the previous day low break.
I'm getting better, man.
The simple strategy, you know.
Yeah.
And this is already making. If you do it right, you can make a lot of points here.
Right.
We will focus on that one as well. I have given a job to Dave. He has to work it out, and when I come back from holiday, he has to finish his strategy so that we can use it right away.
Yeah, man. Right away.
Yeah.
This was another good trade. We have a new extreme, new low. We have a first entry short, pullback, second entry short, as well as a first entry long and a second entry long below the EMA. Just with the range, can't take that. Support there. Turn back multiple times.
So 483 is definitely a support area.
Mm-hmm.
I think I'm going to take a long when it's the wick touches it. So this is this white line here. See support here, here, here.
Now I would like to see if this will be 2 legs down.
Do you see this one here?
What is that?
This is something new.
Today is another day, right?
What you see here is the sessions. So this is I can show you, this is sessions on the chart. So I can put on Tokyo and put on Sydney. But I remove them. I have only London and New York session on. And this brown area is the overlap between the London session and the New York session.
The in between the brown.
Yeah, so the brown thingy between the green and the red.
Okay.
So this is the overlap session. And what you see as an indicator here is what they call the pivot high-low analysis and forecast. So you see a forecast. So here you see that this red line is placed here. This means that the forecast is that in this time period it will hit the red line around this area, so around this time at 1:15.
Wow.
And what you can do is, this is a good example here. Here you have the green line, so I will show you with an arrow. So this is where you can see it touches, it creates the green line. And when it touches again, only with the wick, you can take a trade here. It can't go through, it has to only touch with the wick. And then you can take a 1 to 2. So, for instance from this one. So this will be around this.
Right.
This is a 4 to 1, but you can take a 1 to 2 on average. So this, so that would be an 83-point trade. Based on the 50-minute chart.
Just picking out the bottoms.
Yeah.
We have second
Can I send
entry.
you the video about it, then you can have a look at it.
Please.
I will do.
I wanted to take a short here again. This looks like another good place for a short, man. Let's see. Like we said, I'm waiting for the news. Ah, look at it though. Look at it go, man. From share a grow, a hell of a grow. The buyers are trying to bring it up. The sellers are about to smash it through on them. Yeah, that was an excellent trade. I should have taken this one. What time is it? 9:44. I tell you, around 9:40, 9:44. Man, this was a crazy trade. Still going.
So you see that on the 4 hour, this is the 1 hour chart on the left one, the Renko.
Uh-huh.
This one. You can see it has broken this bear flag at the moment. So
Okay.
it's below the white line. So I would not be surprised if we get a big drop. Maybe they are going to break it up to this area again, but I would not be surprised if it really drops.
I have a target area of 452.
Yeah. And when it gets below 416, you should go all in.
Wow. So I guess this bigger downtrend was correct. They had a break.
Yeah, if you look at this here, this is the Renko stuff here on the left one.
Mm-hmm.
And here is in the 1 hour, you can clearly see this bearish flag. And this one is now broken. So if you look at this here, at this point it is broken.
Right. It is breaking down below it.
Yeah, so and when it gets below here, that's definitely a huge leg coming like this. A leg like this.
Yeah.
So that was from 13,145 to 12. This is 600 point leg here. So that would mean that we get something around 11,000. This will be the second leg. So 11,800.
Man, another good trade that was. I didn't take. Two good trades. First entry long, pull back second entry long. Like either way, no sign of me. Why did they have to have news today? Look how they're just dropping it, man. Yeah. They come, doesn't matter. I missed out on some big moves today.
Mm-hmm.
I will not let that annoy me. Usually it does. Not today. Got people find a way to try to be it's on me. Keep up in this moment. Can I tell you when I'm off the side, touch the sky? If you don't see me in a while, smile, don't be surprised. When you're waking up, I can be really nice.
So Dave is not on today, or?
I guess not. I haven't seen Dave for a few days now.
One tick above this. If you want to have room to get out,
It's working or not?
I am not sure, man. I hope so. I always hope it's not the trading getting to anyone.
Of course, you do get your two legs down, and then it rockets out of there, tries to go short once, twice. There's you another failure. If you're not experienced enough to be trading those, there's a higher low right here that breaks lower and turns up and goes out the other side. I don't know that I would go long right here. I might let that break higher, drop a limit order back, one tick above this. If you want to have room to get out, there may still be room right there, but you're really pushing it here. It's just I'm curious now. See, there's just not quite. There's only 5 ticks. There's just not quite enough room. You'd have to at least use a limit order here. And what I mean by that, instead of putting your buy stop one tick above that, you let it break above, and then you come back a couple of ticks somewhere to make sure you got room to get out. You drop a buy limit order in there, and you just see if it'll back up and pick you up. Sometimes it will, sometimes it won't here. I don't know if it will or not. I can't remember.
All right, news in 10 minutes.
Issues here. I have allergies a certain time of the year. My throat gets to bother me.
Man, I could have been done for the week.
Usually happens in the spring and fall.
The future is gonna be nice.
Anyway,
I just picked out a 120-point move, man,
now you're in another
from this morning.
channel coming back down. I didn't mark this trade right here. You might
131 points.
They were so far away from the EMA.
And this trade would have been from 8:13
If you understand
all the
why,
way till 9:47.
played out to the upside. So the very minimum, I probably should have marked that green.
It's about an hour.
Being that far away from the EMA, prices are almost sure to come back here even if they're going to bounce higher.
What am I saying? Yeah, hour and a half.
Move all the way down, and I don't see anything that make me want to go short way down here, and I really don't see anything that makes me want to go long down here. Just nothing happening, and then of course we're working up here. I didn't draw this one, but there's a trade channel here. Of course you get the break here, move to a new high, then you come out and get first entry, second entry. It was kind of hard to know what prices were doing here.
Yeah, man. Price is
They should
just.
have gone on higher, but you got these two channels on each side working against each other. Let's just color them so they're more obvious to see here.
When I found out that Google was doing course certificates, and they had one in data analytics, I thought it seems like an easy choice. After completing the program, I was familiar with all the tools of the trade.
Man, there was news at 9 as well. Say 7 minutes, 37 minutes, and then 11. After 11, things should calm down.
So I'm just a little hesitant to use. If you're gonna break new high, here my throat gets to bother me. Been around a long time. You're aware of. It usually happens in the spring and fall. I struggled with that for a couple of weeks. Anyway, you get the break, move to a new high, and then you drop it down. Channel coming back down. I didn't mark this
this thing is pretty volatile right
Understand
now.
why, though, because this played out to the
I just did a market order and I was
I probably should
behind the place about 45 points already.
away from the EMA. Prices are almost sure to come back here even if
Well,
Yeah, like I literally pressed market order in and it said I was down 45 points. I don't know what that is.
I don't see anything.
Hmm.
Maybe we want to go short way down here, and I really don't see anything that makes me want to go long down here. Just nothing happening. And of course, we're working up here. I need to draw this one. There's a
For me, this is another good short here.
break here, move to a new high, then you come out and get first entry, second entry. It was kind of hard to know what prices were doing here. They should have gone on higher.
Above the 9 now.
Channels on each side.
But still, we have break, new high.
Against each other. Let's just call them something.
This is from
So I'm just a little hesitant.
28 now. It's 20 points stuck.
Use. If you get a break new high, you run it down. Wow. I've been struggling with that for a couple of weeks now. But anyway, you get the break, move to a new high, then you're rocketing down, and now you're in another channel coming back down. I didn't mark this trade right here. You might could say, hey, we tried to go higher 3 times there. We're so far away from the EMA. That looks a little congested. If you understand why, though, because this played out to the upside. So at the very minimum, I probably should have marked that green. Just being that far away from the EMA, prices are almost sure to come back here, even if they're going to bounce higher and make another leg up. And if you catch that one, that's a pretty good move all the way down. And I don't see anything that would make me want to go short way down here. And I really don't see anything that makes me want to go long down here. Just nothing. One go. And you get your break up. It's got a little double top, and then you get your first entry, and then you shoot down, you get a second entry. So it is a failure, and that's probably going to trap people. The only problem is it's real close to that low, which that doesn't bother me too much if we've topped out here. But the real problem is it's not that we're so close to the low. You get this inside bar right here, and it didn't close. It couldn't break lower, so there's a good chance if it breaks lower, it's going to fail and snap back, which it does. But it would have been plenty. But you
4 minutes.
Then of course we just turn down again, and you get your break outside. But I don't see anything there that would tempt me to go short anywhere. And then you're just rocking. You're just kind of moving sideways in this lot of resistance here. And notice you try to go higher once, twice, 3 times here, and I like that. That's a second entry too. First entry, second entry. So I like that one. Good signal bar to the short side. I mean, this was a pretty strong move, so we're probably going to get a couple of legs down to a new low. And then it just keeps rocking along sideways here. And then the next thing you know, you got a little break high right there and a big bearish bar with still room to get out before those lows again in case it bounces, which it does. But it wouldn't have stopped you out. You actually get a lower high here that you could almost argue, well, you could argue it's a failure, but you just can't go long into all that support. I mean, short into all that support. So I mark this one green because it's a little congested when you get your break outside, but I don't see anything there that would tempt me to go short anywhere. And then you're just rocking, you're just kind of moving sideways in this lot of resistance here. And notice you try to go higher once, twice, 3 times here. And I like that. That's a second entry too. First entry, second entry. So I like that one. Good signal bar to the short side. I mean, this was a pretty strong move, so we're probably going to get a couple of legs down to a new low. And then it just keeps rocking along sideways here. And then the next thing you know, you got a little break high right there and a big bearish bar with still room to get out before those lows again in case it bounces, which it does. But it wouldn't have stopped you out. You actually get a lower high here that you could almost argue, well, you could argue it's a failure, but but you just can't go long into all that support. I mean, short into all that support. So I marked this one green because it's a little congested. It bounces where we bounced multiple times across there today. But you can't be going long in here because this is the first break. And then notice we try to go short once, twice. And there's actually a little failure right here with a second entry long. And it's a high or low. We made like a triple bottom and then a high or low on a second entry, but it looks a little congested. It's right into the EMA. It's just not a sure thing. So I've let that one go. But notice how you did make a new low there. Then you get a first entry, then you get a second entry that fails and turns. It goes all the way out the other side on the engulfing bar. I wouldn't wait till this bar closes. If you like the engulfing bar, maybe you go long because you got room to get out. But I just don't think I would take, I would go long one tick above that bar. I'd skip it if I didn't enter on the engulfing bar. Of course, we run up, we get our first close outside, and you get a couple of legs back, and it turns up. And this was another one that's real tempting. It's a failed break lower, so we're probably at least going to run back and test this high, and we're probably going to make a new high here. I didn't mark it, but it should probably be at least green. And you can argue we've tested that low 3 times across there as well. Let me just draw the line. It makes it a little bit easier to see it. But you can see we came back here once, went higher, came out twice. That's the 3rd time. So you may take that trade. As long as you got room to scalp out for these highs, that's the only stipulation. If you do, take it. We actually, so now we got the break with that one and 2 legs up. And that, the other reason I like that was because it confirms this trend line. And we actually come back to it again here. And there's a second entry long right there. The only problem here is you've got this channel working down and no break of it and you low yet. We really never get one. We just turn right back up again. And unfortunately, I see no way to get in this trade all the way up.
You can live in Bali tax-free.
It's a really good setup unless you looked at this.
Just let me know how I book my
I
flight.
want that to be off the EMA.
No,
I can't even
I
argue
don't
that
know
that's
what's on
off the trend line.
Workers with businesses.
So I'm just not. It looks really congested. I'm not crazy about it. I just couldn't mark it. So I wouldn't take it. So I just wouldn't recommend anybody else take it. So
didn't I already send you this yesterday?
said something.
Yeah, it was.
Working sideways, and finally get
Yeah, no. I'm saying, didn't I send you out? That's where I want to go.
But it's really a first entry.
Bro, consumer price index is good. Jolts is good.
So I don't think you would have
Yeah.
taken that
Let me get a little bit of that.
back. I think
Okay.
you gotta wait.
We got 28 minutes and 58 minutes left.
So maybe you throw that in
Alright.
there too, but I'd still wait and see if you got a higher low, which comes here, and there's plenty of room to get out. That's where I'd enter. You might enter that. I mean, you might argue that one deserves to at least be green, but I don't think I would take it. I'm sure not gonna go short up here in this green uptrend because we haven't reached the upper side yet. So it's a little concerning when it turns down there, and it actually ticks back there too and turns back down.
Man, what a short this morning.
Take that on
And the other short I should have taken as well.
Probably got enough room there, maybe, but I certainly wouldn't wait till that close to go short.
Just a
especially
little
with more
hesitant today
closes.
because of the news, I think.
So maybe you take this on an engulfing bar, but that would be it. And of course, now
Ah,
moving down. There's really a failure right here.
what do we got here? First entry, pullback,
But to
second
me,
entry long.
I like this one better just because it confirmed the trend line. You can see that. You test it once, you test it twice, and it's a breakout pullback short with a big bearish bar below the EMA. I semi-like that trade. I marked it green, but I kind of like it. I wouldn't take the failure here because it's right into the support, but when it tried to go higher again, you can see the smarter traders tended to like it and probably took it. So,
I'm a little pissed with myself today.
of course, we run down here.
Oh, this one I didn't take too early.
We bounce off this low
Right.
here, right off that trend
It's
line.
like 8:13.
I marked this.
Should have taken it though. Didn't take this one. No, I was about to take this one. Didn't take it.
The problem is you don't have a true close outside and a low. It does bounce right off the
I didn't take any.
trend line. It's
So that's
clearly
it.
looks like a couple of legs down and then a bounce. But and the only reason I marked it green is because it's right off that trend line and we haven't reached the highs of the range.
Yeah.
So
And that's why I rather those reasons, man.
problem is we came up
Pretty
short
worked
here.
out,
There's a
but
good chance you might get
trying
a
to
break
be
outside this. Actually, I don't
more
think that I
conservative to
looked
that.
at it as coming up short yet. It was hard to know. I think it looked like we just come off the highs, so now we were bouncing off the lows, and that might still be right. This could be an overshoot. So I wouldn't bet my kid's eyesight or anything that it's way up here that's correct, because generally when you come back when you're short right here, you don't bounce. So honestly, I really think it's more like this, and this is an overshoot. So if you look at it like that, you're short right here, you don't bounce. So
I'm
probably
just
we
gonna
can't
pay for the first Monzo hotel because
bounce
it
right.
has to be paid for by September 3rd. I just don't want to. It's the cheapest one.
You check if there's anyone closer that popped up lately.
That's the closest one.
How far?
It's not even in Milan. It's really closer to Monza, but it's still like 20-something minutes driving to get there.
Son?
But even when I was looking before, all of the ones in Monza were booked.
Oh, work.
Or they were like $2,000.
Yeah, nah, respect. I'll walk home if I need to.
This one was $281 for all of this, the 8 to 11 weddings. You walk home? You know where you're going?
Let's see where we're going. Gotta get some shrooms. Shrooms. Target reach 452. That was my target for today. First target hit. That's breaking below. This is just crappy though. It's just pure crap.
Let me know if you're gonna get them from a fake or something, because the guy has quarters for 60. Not my eggs are 60.
Might as well just get that. You let them see. Done with his trip. How do you do? I told him I'm losing my grip. He said, son, if you want to hold on to yourself and let yourself slip. Oh. 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 Oh, it feels good to fall. Ah, man. Oh, she
On the daily, the candle is below the 200. Wow.
Yeah. This just sucks to watch, man. You gotta get used to this part of trading.
Okay, 12,401, 12,401. That was previous day low.
Yeah, they're about to go back down there right now.
So
They're just
are
going
trying
and
to
giving me
find
no
it again.
entries now.
So
Now, here's the dilemma. They give me a setup. Do I keep going short? Or now do I look for a reversal for it to go long? See how it
I think let's see what happens at 12,401.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait till it goes back to the EMA here.
Mm-hmm.
$16 minutes for the next news. Mm-hmm. Have a lot of still wanting. Belly full, but we're starving. Have a lot of still wanting. Jawing at you, we're empty. about us to want to. About us to want to. Dun, 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 dun. Second entry long failure. Is this just a trap? 19. I just want to get it from the 20 though. I don't like this. This is from 19, 419, stops at 38. Pray for me. Shine into bright. His love on your shoulder shines into got this shit with another.
Okay, in 10 minutes I have another meeting.
Okay.
That will be the last one.
Alright, well I will be here. Let's see if we can get some dollars when you come back.
Yeah.
Maybe I will take a trade by then, we'll see.
So
Yeah man, I
let's
really
see
missed my moves today. I don't know what happened there. I just think the news and some of these bars are just too big. Every bar I was supposed to get in 20 points. That's about $400. I don't want to risk $400. 508. You look at this other bar I was gonna take. My entry is at 08. My stop is at 29, 28. The only bar I see I really missed out on is the 943 because that bar.
It was a big one.
No, it was okay one. My stop. My entry would have been 39. Still big because my stop loss is 56, almost 59.
Oh, that's a lot.
Yeah, man. So all these bars, I think that's why. I'm like, why didn't I? And then the one at 815, I just don't like to trade in the morning and then get slayed. 610 from 25. That's probably the best one. 15 points.
Yep.
Yeah, that's probably my best chance on winning. So let's see, man. I like we have a dominating direction with the downtrend. So if I see shorts coming in, I'm definitely taking them. We have one more news activity I would like to get out of the way here. We have two more actually. One. Yeah, by the time you come back, we should be done with the news. We have one in 6 minutes and then the other one in 11.
Mm-hmm. All right.
All right, my man. I'll be here. Just give me a call.
I will get another coffee and then I have to go to the meeting.
All right.
So,
just give me a ring. I'm here.
Yes, I will do. All right.
All right, my man. See you soon.
Yeah, you talk too much. Talk too much. You talk too much. I can't pretend. I am vexed, and I don't intend to deny.
Hey.
Hey, man.
What's up?
Not much. Just sitting over here. How you doing?
Doing good, dude. Doing good. Checking the market out, just getting things going.
Yeah, man. Some downtrend today.
Yeah. I have it. I have a zone of interest. It's right in the bottom portion of.
Uh-huh.
It looks like it's going to want to break out of the bottom of it. Is what it looks looking like it's wanting to do.
Oh, you're looking for some support there.
Well, I think for a while there's going to be some support, but I think it's going to break down.
Yeah, I have a level here today between 402 and 415. I'm looking to see if they break.
402.
415.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can see that, and then 415.
Yeah, they're already taking this 415 out right now, back and forth, but they keep getting support at the 410. This is second entry short, though. Ooh.
Yeah.
Second entry short. Yeah, man, these bars, I've seen some good trades today that I would take if I had some more confidence in capital. These bars are about 20 points each bar.
Yeah.
13, 30, yeah, like 20, 30 points, man. We've been doing continuation patterns all day. Basically, we've been doing bearish rectangles all day. That's what I've been looking at. We had one, this is two. We had another one this morning early, which was 3. I wonder. Yeah, man, you already know I'm here jamming.
Nice, dude. Nice.
Yes, sir.
Did you enjoy the Grand Prix?
Oh, hell yeah, man. That was amazing. How could you not? This guy came back from 14th place, dude.
Yeah.
He
made it look so easy.
Dude, exactly, man. This, again, different type of mindset, you know, different type of planet this guy's on. 14th in the grid. Yeah, let's see what we can do, the best we can do, and he gets first place. Come on.
Other people who are in 14th place on the grid, they'll go, okay, I'll get up to maybe
Best they think they can get a podium, maybe, or they get up to the top 10.
Yeah.
This guy just blows.
That's like I'm
my-
going for pole position.
Right.
Yeah.
Man, it's all about mindset, man. Like we be saying, that's that. Nothing else describes that. It has to be mindset. Because we've never seen other people do that. I've been watching F1 my whole time. Like, I don't see these people coming from that position to come back.
It's breaking down, dude.
Yep, second entry long, good failure. But yeah, man. Other than that, just chilling. Okay, we got 9, first entry long, pull back. Can we get a second? Can we get it? There goes the 402. Yes, sir.
Yes, I'm going to show it. I am vexed. I know I just can't hide it. Hey, Mr. Lying Tongue, you shouldn't.
We got some news in like 4 minutes. Let me see. Where's my timer?
What was that?
What'd you say?
Calling to verify the payment of $1,499 for an Apple blah 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 blah. It's the same call every time.
Weird.
And I always check my Apple account. I'm calling.
Yeah. Yeah, Laurel just got a random phone call this early in the morning, and it's like, what?
Yeah, man, these people are ridiculous. They don't care. They start calling you from 7, 8 o'clock.
Yeah. Yeah.
But man, we got news at 8 o'clock in 4 minutes.
Okay. Okay.
Well, it should be 1 minute now, and then we have some more news at 1 o'clock. I mean 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. Not 1 o'clock.
How many star news is it?
1 is 2, and 1 is, and then the other one's a 1.
Okay.
Yeah. Don't think they should move it too much. I think the job openings really did it for this morning.
Say what you said. Now you make me mad. I'm feeling like I'm gonna break your head. Whoa, whoa. I am vexed. I can't pretend. I am vexed, and I don't intend to deny it. I am vexed. Yes, I've got to show it. I am vexed. I know I just can't hide it. You regard us as animals, our predecessors as cannibals. You say we came from the hate, but we know the truth. So you are late. We know where we are going, and we know where we're from. So to hell with you and your brainwashed education. I can't pretend. I am vexed, and I don't intend to deny it. I am vexed. Yes, I've got to show it. I am vexed. I know I just can't hide it. Coming with your bag of tricks, telling us nothing but foolishness. How much you are our superior sin cause of a complexion to be looking like this. Whoa, whoa, I am vexed. I can't pretend. I am vexed, and I don't intend to deny it. I am vexed. Yes, I've got to show it. tend to deny it. I am vexed, yes, I've got to show it. I am vexed, I know I just can't hide it. You regard us as animals, our predecessors as cannibals. Yes, you say we came from the hate, but we know the truth, so you are late. We know where we are going, and we know where we're from. Glory to the King. Oh, we glorify your name. Glory to the Father. There ain't no other.
Ash, Fritz said to call him.
Blessed be the Almighty God. Oh, well, ready to forgive. Oh, Father, watch in Zion. Hear our voice, O Jah, today in our prayer, and accept our thanksgiving. Father, we thank thee for all that you have done and for what you're doing now. Oh, yeah, yeah. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He restoreth my soul. Splashing, dashing, restless sea. Never still you seem to be. Sometimes angry, sometimes sad. Sometimes you laugh as though you're glad. Splashing, dashing, restless sea. Never still you seem to be. Sometimes angry, sometimes sad. Sometimes you laugh as though you're glad. Little children love you well. Love all the wondrous tales you tell. Love to watch you come and go in the times that ebb and flow. Yet though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for Jah is with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Splashing, dashing, restless sea. Never still you seem to be. Sometimes angry, sometimes sad. Sometimes you laugh as though you're glad. Splashing, dashing, restless sea. Never still you seem to be. Sometimes angry, sometimes sad. Sometimes you laugh as though you're glad. Little children love you well. Love all the wondrous tales you tell. Love to watch you come and go in the times of ebb and flow. So strong and
What's breaking down there too? Something like Terrence.
Yeah, man, I just got a full $500 trade off that drop there.
Nice.
Out of it. Good stuff. I just snagged that one. My freaking trailer caught me though. I be trying to hold these chains, and my trailer always catches me, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was a good trade.
Yeah. Yes, it was.
Order submitted.
Taking another one. Okay, still in this one for like 10 points.
Okay.
Trying to see if it keeps dropping. Yeah, I locked in 10
Yeah.
points, so I don't care what happens now.
Yeah.
I'm up, I think, 720. Come on, baby, keep going.
Keep going, keep going.
Coming back up. Come on, get down. Are we having support on the 1 minute? A little bit of support they're trying to do. Come on. Get down. Yes, love the red. Show the red, baby. Keep the red going.
Oh, this chocolate is a.
Come on. Come on, drop my boy. Yeah, let's show some support here. We try to show some support here. Yes, fellas. Keep it going. Won't you keep it going? Yes. 17 more points. 800. Come on. In this trade for about 2 minutes so far. So, dude, I started putting on timer with my trades. It's literally what I started doing.
Yeah.
I'm not going for points. I'm going for time. Literally.
Interesting.
Yeah. It just changes the whole game, dude.
So what's your time?
Right now I'm at like about 4 minutes. And I'm up 26 points.
Your
So
kind
you see,
of goal or something.
yeah, my time is to stay in the trade, dude, for 10 minutes.
Okay.
If possible. 10 minutes.
Okay.
Right now I'm up, yeah, that's $1,000, dude. This is
Tremendous, dude.
Dude, this is insane. I literally changed my game though, D, when I said I changed the time. Dude, I'll take this $1,000 right here. They're about to stop me out, maybe. Come on, get down.
Take it. Take it.
Yeah?
Yes.
I'm gonna move my stop there.
Move your profit there.
Yeah, it's going. I'm moving my stop there. If they keep going, we get more, man. This is fifth. Oh. Come on, baby. Gotta move my stop there. It's still going down. Excellent, 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 excellent. This was a good one, man. All right, stopped out. $1,100.
Nice, dude.
Hell to the yeah,
Good
D.
job.
Hell to the yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go, dude. And that was 6 minutes. I was close to my goal.
Yep. Do you need any on your back?
Let's go. Good discipline today. And it's still going. Good discipline today, though.
Yeah, totally. No, to take that much profit is worth it.
Dude, and that was one contract.
Yeah. That's the way to do it.
Yeah, man, that was some good stuff.
Risk to reward, man.
Right. And I just, oh yes. That felt good right there. I just kept going with the downtrend. You know, I told you that 402 area, they broke it, they came back up, they gave me a first entry long, pullback, second entry long with a lower high. Had to take it. That was excellent, man.
See you, babe. Yeah, I got 2 small M and Q trades in.
Let's go, man.
What's that?
I said, let's go.
Yeah, I'm doing okay.
Yes, we are. That was excellent, man. Ah, man. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna definitely call it there.
Dude, I would.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop.
Yeah.
Like I said, sometimes when I'm up, you know, that's when I want to be aggressive. But I haven't had a banger like this in a while, so I'm gonna take that one.
Yeah.
And dude, try to. I don't know how, D, but try to see if you can add what I told you, man. What that I did. Try to see if you can add timing to your trading.
Okay.
Strictly timing. Like, dude, I don't care about profits. I am going in a trade. It is either it's going to work for 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Or give me the profit I'm looking for, you know, some type of profit number where I'm like, okay, this is great. Or I'm simply going to get stopped out.
Right.
But I'm not going for points. 2-1, yeah, in my mind, because I have it marked out. But again, I've been realizing a trade that works for me. Like, dude, if a trade really works for me, it could go for an hour and a half.
Right.
If it really, really works in my favor. Short term, it should be at least 5 minutes. So I'm looking at least one 5-minute bar going in my direction. But the timing, man, just makes it so less stressful. Believe it or not, I don't know how to explain that.
Okay, I like that.
Like, I just have something I'm chasing, you know? I'm chasing to reach, instead of me chasing to see, like, all this profit on my thing, I'm chasing to see the time reached on my timer.
Yeah.
You know, my change of focus is
yeah. I
completely
get it.
gone. Yeah, man, that was excellent. I've been waiting for that one. But yeah, D, I'm out of here, man. Let me know when you're on tomorrow, dude. You know I'm always here. Like I said, if sometimes my Skype for some reason doesn't send me notifications,
yeah,
might be because of my streaming or something.
Right.
But just send me a message, dude, and I'm always here. You know that.
Yeah, I'll contact you on WhatsApp.
All right, sounds good, my man.
Okay, dude.
Have a good rest of your day. Later.
Thanks, man. You too. Later.
Good day today. Let's go, baby. GG's. GG's, GG's, GG's.